Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
The sacred well of Santa Cristina, located in Sardinia, Italy, has, really captivated both researchers and enthusiasts with its enigmatic design and celestial alignment. Recent drone footage has shed new light quite literally on the site's unique architecture, revealing an ear-shaped stone enclosure that leads to a descending stairway into the earth. From the ground, it appears to be just another ancient well, but from above, the layout suggests a deeper symbolic or functional design. Constructed over 3,000 years ago by the Nuragic civilization, this structure's tholos roof, made of interlocking basalt stones without mortar, showcases, honestly, remarkable engineering and craftsmanship for its time. What truly sets the sacred well apart is its astronomical precision. Every 18.6 years, a rare lunar event occurs in which moonlight shines directly down the stairwell and illuminates the water at the bottom of the well. This perfect alignment between architecture and celestial movement suggests a sophisticated understanding of astronomy by its builders. The event continues to mystify archaeologists, as such precise knowledge of the lunar cycle would require long-term observation and advanced planning, elements not typically attributed to Bronze Age societies. Despite the well's impressive design, no written records have been found to explain its origin or purpose. Some researchers theorize that it may have been more than a water source. It could have served as a sacred space for rituals, a lunar observatory, or even an acoustic chamber. The structure's sound-enhancing properties and alignment with celestial bodies hint at a spiritual or cosmological function, possibly designed to connect people with natural rhythms or divine forces. The sacred well of Santa Cristina remains a powerful symbol of lost ancient knowledge, drawing modern minds deeper into its mystery with each new discovery.